Welcome back to the Blazor Puzzle. This is episode 93. How you doing? I'm Carl Franklin from AppVNext, and that is my friend Jeff Fritz from Microsoft. Hey, Jeff, what's shaking?
Hey there. Let me tell you, I got some new hats and I'm just going batty over them.
Unbatleavable.
Oh,
Although the bat puns, the counter has to come on. Okay.
Absolutely.
It's going to be a fun one. So, and a quick and easy one today. And it's about something that we think everybody should know by now, but sometimes we don't. So it's about two-way binding. Roll the music. So as expected, this is a .NET 9 Blazor web app with global server interactivity. Okay. We have a component here that says parent message message, and we have this stuff here in the home page, a two-way bound message, and we've already got the, on input changed here. So when I type here, the message has changed.
Terrific.
But what we really want is we want a parent message parameter to change also in the component. And then if that wasn't enough, we want to be able to change the message in the component and have that reflected in the parent component or the parent page.
This feels like four-way binding here.
Yeah, exactly. Let's take a look at the code.
All right.
So here's my component Razor. Nothing to write home about. I got a little style up here, a little padding, a little background color. I have a parent message parameter string.
Yeah.
And when I call update message, the parent message changes. Let's do that first. All right. So it changes in the component, but we want it all to work together. So in the home page, we've got my component with a parent message set to message, this string property right here.
Now, hang on, Carl. A string's a reference type. You're passing a reference type into a parameter there, and you're updating that reference type. So my .NET memory know-how says if you're updating a reference's data, it should update all the other references.
Yeah, it should. It should. And I'm using the bind here. At bind, I'm binding to message, right? Yeah. And I set the parent message property of the component to message. My spidey sense tells me this should work. And yet it doesn't. So that's the challenge this week. Why doesn't this work and how can we fix it? And if you want to see the answer, just stick around for a few seconds. We'll give it to you. But if you want to think about it, press pause. We'll be here when you come back. In the component, we've added this event callback of string with the convention parameter name changed. And then after we update the parent message, we're going to invoke that event handler, right? Now, looking at this, you might think, wow, now I have to handle an event in the home page. But no, because we named it as such, we can use the @bind dash parent message syntax.
And it'll listen for that other event.
That's right.
Carl, this smells like iNotify property changed.
Yeah, but do you see any interfaces that you have to implement or any event handlers that you have to hook or unhook? It's wonderful.
I love it. The convention just works, but you have to know the convention's there.
Exactly. So let's just give it a go. All right. Well, if binding is driving you batty, see what I did there?
Yeah. Okay.
This is the easy way to do it. So on input works in the parent and in the component. Boom, all the way up. Reaches up through the stack and just does it.
But this feels like something where when you have a very complex architecture that has components that are talking to other components hierarchically. Maybe you're building some sort of scheduling component that this kind of flow of data back and forth, data binding like that, and raising events as things change, it's going to be really important for you.
Absolutely. And there it is, a simple, elegant solution. I think we can attribute this to Steve's amazing brain, huh? Steve Sanderson. I think he's the guy that came up with this.
Steve, how's your brain doing over there, buddy?
If I was Steve, if he were here, he'd say, it's okay.
Steve.
All right. So that's our puzzle this week. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you have a puzzle that you'd like to share with us, whether or not you have a solution, send it to Jeff and me by email at blazorpuzzle@appvnext.com. And if we use it on the show, we'll give you a coffee mug and a shout out on the show. So go do it. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Same bat time, same bat channel.
Oh, no, you didn't. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out blazortrain.com and the .NETshow.com for more great content.